everyone, welcome back to Zen Hair channel. Today we will show you the Zen Hair warehouse. That's a very big hair warehouse here in Vietnam. So let's follow me to find with the best selling hair in Zen Hair Vietnam now. Okay, follow me. So firstly, I want to show you the double draw straight hair. That is double draw 16 centimeter. Double draw 50 centimeter. This is a double draw 70 centimeter. Let's see how is ending of double draw. That's the double draw 60 centimeter. Let's see the ending. You see the ending. The ending not thin and not so full. That's our double draw standard. Let's just see the short hair. Just like that only. Very nice double draw. So this is one of the best selling from Zen Hair Vietnam. Customer very love it because of the quality. See the strand very nice, very silky, very soft, very healthy. The second plate is the thin hair. That's a thin hair, 50 centimeter. You can see what's a thin hair. This is strand, very thin, very soft, very silky. That's a thin hair. See the ending. Not so full. Very nice. The difference between the thin hair and the double draw is the strand. The strand of thin hair very straightened and very soft, very silky. You can see the texture. The strand very nice. The difference between the thin hair and the double draw is the strand. See the difference. The double draw a little wave. You see that? A little wave. The thin hair very straightened. The strand double draw is bigger than thin hair strand. Both of hair is best selling from here because of the quality of hair and the ending is suitable for customer for reselling or for using individual. And the price of two of this kind of hair very nice because we collect so much, so the price to make the hair very good. Then now we will show you some hair for bleaching. The good material for bleaching. Firstly, that's the gray hair, white gray hair. That's very best selling of not best selling. That's very good material for bleaching. You can see my factory already bleached the hair. Let you see this color very fine, big color from that. This hair material you can color to platinum color for snow color. Very easy to color. And secondly, one kind of hair very good for bleaching. That's the virgin hair. What is virgin hair in Zen Hair Vietnam? That's the hair we collect from unprocessed hair. Very natural hair, and we make bundle like that. See the ending, like double draw. The short hair very small, very small. See, very small. You can color this hair very well. That's easy like gray hair. What's the difference between them? Two kind of hair not has a different in bleaching. Both is very nice for bleaching. But sometimes customer want black hair because they can color to not blonde color. But for gray hair we can color only to blonde color. But from gray hair you can color to white, more platinum than black hair. That's only different. So that is some material from Zen Hair. We have one more kind of material customer very interesting. That is a hair donor. What is a hair donor? Hair donor is the hair cut from donor girl. One piece cut from one head like that. One piece is cut from one head. Why is that the very best quality here now? Because that is lip hair. That's cut from one donor, and how we cut from one donor, we sell like that. Very good for coloring, very good strand. The cuticle intact, still on the hair. So after color, after color this hair like natural hair, 100% good. But that hair very expensive, very expensive here because that's the cost very high. Just cut from only healthy girl, unprocessing girl hair. So why is that hair very expensive here? Besides some material, natural hair, we have the color hair. Zen Hair Vietnam was known by the biggest factory for coloring here. So that's why the color hair from Zen Hair very customer very interesting. See the color. This is the color 613C. You can see that turn very high. The highness turn here, and you can see the strand still healthy and very good strand. To test the color hair, we will watch this and let you see how the strand is. Let's see this video about the watching the blonde hair. So we have the color chart about 24 color of hair. You can choose the color you want and blend order. That's very easy. Zen Hair Vietnam has a 10 seller. So if you want to buy and blend order from Zen Hair Vietnam, we can contact one of them to make order and make payment. We will ship hair after some day for you. No worry to order the hair. Some hair available to pick up immediately. So our sale will contact and support you 20 hours per day. Thank you for watching.